Hey tea lovers! This week we are featuring one of our newer blends that came to us through customer suggestions. This soothing herbal blend is Organic Withdrawal Relief. Although this blend is meant for helping combat the symptoms of withdrawals, this tea would be a great choice for anyone suffering from nausea, anxiety, restlessness, muscle tension, or insomnia. Organic rooibos is a South African herb that contains very high levels of antioxidants and polyphenols. These can help to reduce stress and inflammation during the withdrawal process, along with reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Organic peppermint can help alleviate nausea and queasiness, reduce headaches, and ease muscle tension. Additionally, peppermint's natural analgesic effects can help alleviate minor aches and pains that may arise during the withdrawal process. Organic ginger root has antiemetic properties that can help alleviate nausea and vomiting, common withdrawal symptoms. It also possesses anti-inflammatory qualities that can aid in reducing muscle and joint pain, along with having a soothing nature that can promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. Organic chamomile's natural calming and sedative properties can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Additionally, chamomile contains sesquiterpene lactone, which can help to detoxify the liver, making the withdrawal process quicker. Organic valerian root is known for its sedative properties, which can help to improve sleep quality during the withdrawals, as insomnia is a common symptom. Valerian root can also help alleviate anxiety and nervousness, along with having muscle relaxant effects, easing tension and discomfort in the body. Organic passion flower is another natural ingredient with sedative properties that can aid in reducing anxiety and promoting better sleep. Passion flower's calming effects may assist in managing restlessness and irritability that is often associated with withdrawal symptoms. Organic burdock root is known for its detoxifying properties, along with containing antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation while promoting kidney function and a mild diuretic effect. Let's make an iced vanilla mint tea latte with Organic Withdrawal Relief. We're going to start with 2 teaspoons of our Organic Withdrawal Relief tea leaves steeped in 6 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water for 5 to 7 minutes. Allow this to cool. When the tea is cooled, fill a cup with ice, add in your vanilla, milk, and steeped tea, give it a stir, top with some mint leaves if you'd like, and enjoy this refreshing beverage. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. We love talking about Organic Withdrawal Relief with you and hope that you'll check it out in the links below. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye!